The main action of our project is to charge our electric bike using alternate energy remotely. The second action of our project sends a message to our cell phone saying it's done charging. The third action sends us messages saying the voltage of the batteries in the system and the current going to our bike's battery. In the fourth action, the green status light will turn on when the station is ready to use. In the fifth action, you are able to turn on a light at night so you are able to see the product.
Alright, so far you guys have seen how we've actually built the whole charging station and the bike. You've also heard about what the station does, what the purposes are behind it, why we built it, that kind of thing. So now I'm going to show you, if you actually go and use this, what's going to happen, how it's going to be, you know, what you're going to see. Alright, so you want to go out to the store, you need some food, you're hungry, alright? You don't want to take your car, you don't want to pay for money, you're like a teenager, okay? No money whatsoever, you're broke. So you take the electric bike out, alright? And you get to the store, you find the charging station. Pop the bike in the holder, pretty simple. Take the battery off the bike, if you can get it. There we go. Alright, and you just set the bike, basically, or the battery right here. Alright, you'll come over to basically our head unit, where all the action happens that you're going to do. You open it up, and you'll have a message. So I'll say, please put in the password. Smiley face with his tongue sticking out. Alright, and you'll hit 04, because in this case, that's the password that you were assigned. You'll press OK. It will say, please plug in your bike. Smiley face. Alright, you have about 10 seconds to come over, plug in your bike, make sure everything's hooked up, and the battery has to be on while you do this. You'll come back over, alright, and you'll say, your bike is being charged, again, a smiley face. After the bike is charged, you'll get a text message knowing when it's done. So in the meantime, you can go ride your bike around, do your shopping, hang out, whatever you want to do. Once.
I started twice, you know.
Alright, fine. Oh, look. I just got a message. It's from the charging station. I'm pretty sure that means the bike is done. Let's check. What's it say? View now. Your bike is charged. So now you know your bike is charged. You basically could go pick up your bike when you're done with all your shopping, and you're done. Alright, so you guys have seen the message. Our bike is charged, alright? Now something else that you can do to the system, which is really, really cool, is you can come up and you can hit Shift and 8 at the same time. If you hit both of those, you'll get a message on your phone, alright? That will tell you the currents in the actual system, what our battery bank holds. Alright? Something else that you can do too is you can hit Shift and 9 at the same time. That will send you a message of what the current is going to your battery. Now, in this case, it's going to be 0 simply because our bike is already charged. Alright, so right here. Here's the 08. It says your battery current equals 647. Now, because that's so high, again, because we have a monstrous battery bank. Now, we also have, one second, let's get there, if it works. So the 09, that is the current going to your battery. Now here it goes, it says your bike current equals 0. Okay, that's 0 because our bike is being charged. So, there you go. Those are the two cool features on the bike. You know, this is how it's going to work, what you're going to do if you actually use this out. And about if it actually goes in production.